Yeah, cheaper cash. If you're in Nigeria, you can say I have two account. I have a Nigeria account and I also have a USD account. That's dollar account. So differently, you can just do this is if you want a Nigeria account, you definitely after you've done all your registrations and everything, and you have been approved, then you have a Nigeria account. So moving to USD account, I will just show you quickly. It just come to you a card. I don't know. So you have a Nigeria card here, and we also have a USD card. This is deactivated already. I think. I don't know if it's activated. It's deactivated. So we have this. So in case you want to use this, you actually gonna maybe yes, claim USD card. So all this must has been created. Your identification document has been submitted. Also address and phone number. So you agree. You say continue. Then use this. If you want, it's $5. So you can also create card. So insufficient. You can just add cash. You add your account. This is it. They've given you your account details. So just the way you sending money, you're going to send it, copy and send it. So that's it. So once you've sent, I think it's 6,000 naira or 7,000 naira there about, then you send the money to your Nigeria account. I mean to your Nigeria account is then you now convert it just the way I did it now. You convert it to your dollar account. So it's as simple as that. I'm not ready to do that. So so once you've gotten your account, right, so you can always use the card all the time for your registration and kind. This is deactivated. I went to do something wrong and my card was deactivated actually. So decline fees, it was 8 decline fees. So that's why it was deactivated. So we have cards that way. So fine. So it's from the card you do. So that's all for this. So what do you do now next is to go to your Facebook. Let me go to Facebook. Let me use the Facebook ads. Sorry, so, sorry. So let me. So for you to run any Facebook advertisement, you must have a Facebook page. So I'm switching to my Facebook page so we can run advertisement. So so, in order to do that, so you can just come here to add different posts already. So you must have like if you are to add, you want to add different stories, blah blah blah. But I already have my content. So what I will do here, what I will do here is just to use the content and let me boost it. So like something like that. Boost it. For example, maybe you have a content you want to boost, so you can just say boost. Maybe this is your content. You wait for some time. So now fine. Let's say you boosting. Event has already happened. Blah blah blah. So there you go. Sorry. So now, in case this is your there are different goals for your boosting. Is it that you're going for automatic, which I won't advise you to go? Get more messages. Maybe you can see, you say maybe you want a Facebook message, and you want a Facebook message, you want Instagram, so or get more website posted. If you still see more, there are many. Get more encouragement. Go customer base. That's the leads. Get more website visitors. Get more for whichever your goal may be. So, just for example, I am going here. So what I will do is this. This one has payment. I just want to show you actually how you can do that. So for the cheaper cash, if you have paid for the card, definitely it's going to give you, it's going to show you your card number. So you already have a USD card account card. So having a USD card, you just do something like that. That's all. So now you see, for example, your messenger app, so you can see it's connected to messenger, WhatsApp, but Instagram, if you wish, you can as well connect it to yours. It's as simple as just connecting, and it's going to send you an OTP, and you just do that simple. So you're choosing your audience now. So this is a very good. You take this, leverage data to automatically deliver different ad creative variation. I mean advantage creative. So you need to take that too. So now we'll go into the audience. So you can see the audience. So in case you're not okay with this audience, you can as well edit the audience, right? So these are my audience, which I've done before, but still, you can just come to edit audience. So part of your marketing is to know who your audience are. You have done that before actually coming to your Facebook to market. So you actually know. But if you are kind of short, maybe you don't really know who your market audience are, you can simply ask ChatGPT, and that's going to sort that out for you. So now, uh, disadvantage audience to see, 65 plus, you can just reduce it to maybe 62, right? Then now we go to location. So for the location here, you can search for address. You can tick Nigeria, because everything, yes, you are going to a border location. If you see Nigeria, it may go to Kano, it may go to, you are just free. Facebook will just go as much as people who are those who click more will keep on going there. So if you want to just limit it to some areas, you can come here. Maybe you want it in Kubwa, so you wait for it to load. It's going to load. Maybe network is down a bit. Mm. Location. So you can search for any location, maybe Kubwa. So you see Kubwa is loading. Maybe Kubwa, Abuja. Sometimes if you are not really used to this, it may load, but if you are using your desktop version, it's possible you see it. Let me just take Abuja. Maybe network is giving issues here. So you see Abuja Federal Capital, maybe that's what you want to. You're gonna add more, right? You can just add maybe a poem, maybe this is where your audience are. So on those states, you can just add. You can see it's taking. You can just add for haircuts. Yeah, we are taking a bigger location, but you can still reduce. You can see for haircut, River State. So you can just take all this and maybe save your location. So the interest, which is very important. So you look at it, this as interest. Though we have demographic, we have interest demographic. So interest, now look at what suggests a broad range of interest to cover the largest on it. So if it's a business, maybe you are targeting people who are in IT firms. So definitely maybe you take advertising marketing, you take maybe design, so you take, yeah. There's demography, but it's not in this one. This is a very old Facebook page that I've created for a longer time. So you may actually not see most of all these things here, but yours you see different. You see demography since it's a new Facebook page you are running. So maybe this is small business, personal banking, maybe online computing. I'm going to take more. Actually, it's not updated because it's the old one. There's digital marketing. I just take all these things. Maybe these are people who your audience are, right? So you need to just search to who your audience are. You can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the best. It's going to give you all of them in detail. So this is economies. Maybe I think I'm done here. So can you just go back? So it has picked everything you need. So now interest. I think I took interest. So now you look for maybe browse interest suggested for you. Maybe Instagram suggested for you. You can just follow their suggestion too. You can follow all these things. Like this. So I told you this is an old one. So maybe take family, motherhood, maybe weddings too. So, so that's the advertising campaign. So you can just work on that. So in case you okay now boss interest too kind of computer. So like you want those people that maybe use iPhone. Maybe there are people that can pay you your money. So you have to look for them. It's not here. I told you this is an old one. So just I didn't see it here. So, I'm going to open. I think I should open a new. Okay, look at this. So just for you now. Maybe someone people with iPad, people with iPhone. So you can see people using iOS. So this is what I want. So save. So you can see the estimated 4.0 to 4.0, which is a very good recommended rate. So all. So you are done with this. Then you can save it. So this is a quick one, a very quick one. You see. So this is it. So your placement now. So when you're running Facebook ads, it's best you know your placement so you don't waste money on your reach. So I can since I'm targeting Facebook, I may not need uh I may not need a messenger somehow. I may just take only Facebook and Instagram. So this is it. So my budget now you can see 16,000 this which I don't want. First you reduce the days. Maybe I reduce it to just a day. I just want a day, right? So I can reduce the price here, right? So this is my ad account, this is my payment. But I can change the payment as I wish. So if you can sell these are expired cards, so you can just add payment here. Just add payment is just next. Then you now put your cheaper cash account a card, right? You put the card number, name on the cheaper cash, you put the card number, the month, the CVV, and that is all. You are good to go. So that's definitely it with Facebook marketing. So from there, when you're done with all of them, you just boost your post right away. So I hope this is very useful. You have a nice day.